So example 1 says we should express 18 as a product of its prime factors. When you're asked to express 18 as a product of its prime factors, you can solution. You can say that 18 is equal to, divide 18 by the first prime number that you have, which is 2. So that automatically means that 18 can be expressed as 2 times 9. But 9 is not a prime factor. So I'm going to look for divide 9 by the next prime factor. But if 9 can still be divisible by 2, then you would have used 9 and 2. But since 9 is not divisible by 2, I'm going to use the next prime factor, which is 3. So that this gives me 2 times 9 can be expressed as 3 times 3, which is 3 times 3. And these are said to be prime factors. So 18 written as a product of its prime factor is said to be 2 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 2 times 3 squared. So therefore, expressing 18 as a product of its prime factors is said to be 2 times 3 squared. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take another example.